Hello, good morning, GOT. So today I will see how to create a customers, and that will be the everything. I will be explaining everything field in related to customers. So here is the menu, and here is the employee management training, and this modules also training. This is the custom modules, and the all remain modules is a dependency modules from Odoo. So today I will see how to create a customers, and I will explain everything customers field. So that will be click on the sales. So now I will be click on the sales. Now this is the quotations, and I will go the orders options, and will you see guys customers. So click on the customers. So here now we will be see the variants type of the customers like Azure Inters and the Create Deco. This is all about the customers. Here is the all customers. If you wanna go with the only individuals customers, then that will be click on the filters and click on the individuals. So only individuals customers. And now if you want to go with the company, then that will be click on the company. Now only see the uh, belonging from the company customers. Now here is the variant type of the options you can filter. And now this is the group. If you want to see through the salesperson, then that will be click on the salespersons. And now only see the salesperson's customers. And here is the options. Now that will be clear the all filters. And now I will be finally move on the customers, how to create a customers. So go and click on the create. And now guys, we will be see the, if you want to go with the individuals, then that you will be click on the individuals. And if you want to go with the company, then that click on the company. Now I will be go with the company individuals, so I will click on the individuals. And now this is the smart buttons, and this is the here define the name field. This is come from the res dot partners, so this is the name field. And now that will be put on the, first I will be explain the every field, then that will be create a customer. So now I will be explain every field. So first field is the name, that can be put whatever your name. And company name come from the many to one fields res dot partners. And now this is the address stress, and that is the also address cities, state and zip, and that will be as well as country. And now GST treatment. So we will be click on the customers on registered business and the or consumers over sales. So many types of the different variant, you can click whatever you want. And now this is the bad actually this is the tax ID, GST tax ID. So here put on the GST tax ID. And this is the job positions field. Here if you wanna go with the training, then that will be put on the training. And that is the contact number, mobile number, email address also put on here. And website like www.geotech.in. So here put on the this type of things. And here is the titles, whatever your titles. So now here is the tags come from the, if you wanna go employee, then employee, select the employee. And consulting service, and there click on the various type of the, so whatever you want, just click on the tags. Here is the contract address, sales purchase, accounting, and last one is the internal notes. Now I will be see contact and address fields. So click on the add. Now here we will see the contact. So I will click on the contact. Now we will be see contact name, who is the person's, and title like Mr. Doctor, Mrs. whatever. And this is the internal notes, and here is the email. So I will put on the name like Rohit Roy. Now I will be click on the Mr. So I will choose on the Mr. and job positions also training. So write I will write training. Now this is the internal. If you wanna have any notes, then it will be whatever you put on the here. But I will move on the emails field. So I will select the emails. Now that will be the mobile number, and also have the mobile number because I don't have a phone number, so only mobile number. Now save and new page click. That will be the and click on the that will be save the data from the contact persons, and here is the invoice address. Here is the same contact name, address, notes, and email, phone number. That will be the same delivery address, always same whatever you fill the contact number. Now other address also same. If you wanna change something, then you can change, otherwise same. And this is the private. Every field are similar to the contact because contact all the related fields. Whatever you have to fill come to the invoice address also, and delivery address also, and other address also. And last one is a private address. So this fills all everything explained. Now guys, you will be see the address, whatever you fill. Now my address is my name is Rohit, and whatever positions, emails, phone number, and also mobile number. Now click on the sales purchase. That will be sales name, salesperson, and sales team. Whatever salesperson's name can be selected, and that will be the sales team. And payment term, whatever payment terms like you wanna immediate payment, then go with the immediate payment. If you wanna go with you wanna take little bit time, then that will be 15 days, 20 days, and almost 13 days. And price list, you see the price list like this is the selections, and this is all field about the sales positions and customers locations and vendor locations also. It's the same thing. Payment, whatever through the payment, it's an immediate payment to 15 days payment, 21 days payment, and 13 days also. And supply currency will be in her. So I will select the Indian currency in her. And reference, whatever you have reference, just write them. And company name also, whatever you wanna go with. So this is the everything about the. Now next move on the accounting sections. So I will see the bank name and account name. If you wanna go with the right bank name, then that will be the create, and whatever bank name that will be put on the here. And that, yeah, that, and that will be the account number. Whatever account number you can put it. And account receivables like debitors, and that will be created. Credit, whatever amount create your account, that will be so. And the debit, whatever debit your accounts. So this is all the fields. And last one is the internal notes. So I will see the internal notes, whatever put on the about your feedback, that will be put on the internal notes. So I will create a name. So I will create the name, company name, whatever you create the company name. Just like I have to create I own company name Geotech. So I will select the Geotech. And job positions like I will write training positions, phone number, whatever. So I will select the phone number, email ID also, and if you are giving a website link field, then that will be put on the link. And here is the title. So I will select the misters and tag will be also available. So I am selecting the employee. So this is all field about the how customers field related. So I will save the data. Yeah. Now you will be see the save my data in here. Now go to the customers. So I think this is the form and this is now we will be see the where is the I think this is the field. So this is the field. No, actually this is not field. My customers geotech. This is not also. So I will select the filters. So I having a individual three customers. So I will click on the customers. Now I will see the my data, whatever you create your data. So this is all about here how to create a customers. Thank you so much, GOT.